Hey everybody, it's Connie with the Artisan Company. Welcome back to my channel. I am driving, I'm on my way to a meeting, but I just had a great idea for a new piece of jewelry. I might skip the meeting and go home. Let's go. Okay guys, I am so excited about this project. I call it almost instant earrings. So I try to find what I have that's in my bead stash that I haven't used in a while or whatever, and see if I can come up with something new. So I had these, I bought these from Michael's a while back, and there was a set of 4 in each one, and it's actually for a bracelet. But when I bought it, I thought, wow, those would make killer earrings. So cute bracelet as well. It would make a fantastic bracelet. Easy to do, but I wanted to make earrings out of it. So I bought these. They were about $7 maybe. They are a 40 millimeter this way by a 20 millimeter this way. Really beautiful size for earrings. Then I had these little guys right here. I had done a wedding piece for someone last year, and I had these little faceted glass pieces left over, and I thought, wow, that would be beautiful on an earring. So we're going to use these, and they're fairly tiny. Let's see here. They are they're about a 14 long millimeter by about a 10 across. Very, very simple. And the hole on these is up here at the top where it's not way down in the middle. It's right up at the top up here. So very easy to work with. And I'm excited about that. So here's what we're doing. You can use any beads you want to, but these are the ones I'm using. This is where we're headed. Look at this. Oh, and actually, these are going to be mine. So I'll do another pair for the shop, but these are going to be mine. But this is where we're headed. Yay. You'll need some kind of focal piece, which I'm going to use these. You'll need a dangle on the bottom. I'm using this glass, faceted glass. You'll need an ear wire. These are 5 millimeter jump rings. And these are 8 millimeter jump rings, and you'll need both of those. Okay, so you'll need a little couple of tools to open and close your jump rings, and that's it. Almost instant earrings. You can do this in probably 10 minutes or less. Hang on, we'll get started. Here we go. So I'm gonna disconnect all of these. So I'm taking the jump rings off of these so I can take them apart. And I'll just set that over to the side. Since I've already done one here, we're just going to work with this one. Okay. And this side has the most hammered look to it, so this will be the front, just like these. Okay, I'm going to take the large jump ring, the little 7 millimeter jump ring. I'm going to open it up just enough to slide this little guy on there. And he slid right on there, just 1, 2, 3. There it is. It's closed up really well. The next thing I'm going to do is take this 5 millimeter jump ring, open it up. I'm going to put my little glass bead on there and my hammered piece. And I'm going to close it up. I'm making sure all of it's closed and even. Yes. Okay, so we're right here. It should look like this at this point. The last thing you're going to do is add your ear wire. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Gonna open it up. Make sure the most hammered side is open. Sorry, on the front, showing on the front, and then you close up your ear wire, and there you go. Is that not gorgeous? Instant jewelry. One, two, three. Love it. Hope you enjoyed this. It was easy peasy. Go look in your closet. I'm sorry, but go look in your closet of beads and see what you have that you can put together instantly almost for a new look for the evening. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm making a pair of these for myself. See y'all later. Bye.